Bokajan along KSA pen armu cijeng ponsi Bokajan SDO civil arideng pinpur along ke pajirtam. Borbatar Police Station ke Parlo Angkang Lower Diopani NS39 atau Warpi along akhirin tangrak pet home ni akari kecetong. Cintong MSC Cup Football Tournament Mesen pen ke patu asai ke paman pon. Kardom ada berta long pen berta han bang thare harmony be non berta ton pen arjik tha. Karbiang Autonomous Council CM tuliram rohang achor sangpi kache teronpi lapan aduri sang hotum pen hidi soccer asai ke claim pon aberta phai koni ni phai crepli arni card news asai hemalong berta nangle.
Karbiang Autonomous Council CM achor sangpi kache teronpi lapen alang ni risang hotum pen hidi asok kerot dan asai kede alang li tumpen hidi asok kerot asai ki badopon ajok bitung reng thama constituency angkang ongdung asai katiki arat tum jasemet pen swarlo tum aning arong rinti. Karbiang long kang karbia jatang jubat lapen kijoi ke pathu mate sport sahin kirung ponason thak thaksi sai katik ke hinta karbiang long arat aphan ingthur ponang jibusi chirok tong arat tum penta kaning je pon pado.
Bokajan District Committee KSA atum Chipatir pen HSDC KNCA SYJ SYC Aisa lapen RYA atum Kachirabdun pen phai kuni ni phai kre pho arni analo por phai kre hinia por malom pen Bokajan Higher Secondary School athengno pen armu chijengsi Chief Minister Sarbananda Sunwala pen Karbiang Autonomous Council CM tuliram longhang atuma phan panongsi Bokajan SDO civil arideng epak pinpur alu ke pajir daw aberta card news pherang ke Bokajan pen berta nangpale.
Pinpur alu along ke jongpon ke Karbiang long along ke do boro khaya tung phan ST Hills ki pi ponchi po along KSA HSTC KNCA SYC SYJ RYA lapen Aisa tum chedon dundi pang thek kachepaklang pensil la so side deng athe boro te boro lo isibet boro ladak thakra ST Hills lapen ST Plains ki pinang jaron pinchong nang nilu pusi HSTC achun bangla chaning lek pen ningje athe Karbiang long along Karbia tum ST Hills ki pitang dat aphita pini arniata inglong so tum aphan ki panong pi borengang hoi pen cheng lok ko an ma kilong dundang jianta long dunde kilong dunji kali ke doktaran ta kithi kasi boro tuma phan pithudet lote Karbia tum ke reng dunun elu pusi ningje KSA amaipu Simeon rong phar pen ta ke damtang arn inglong sukalia tumate non tribal council tumpen Bokajan along kache song sai padopon alang li tumpen longle patala pen kulot license hai hui alam pen amuki bang VSIC Niranjan Karmakar lapen Anil Topo tum ke claim lake aphu kangcho cha sailo Latum Karbiang long kido pen pini arni anta thang aron ateng atumo chini ne Karbi penan par ke cha so tum arideng si patala pen license ke long ke onglo lasilason nang claim tap pen radaphan pamang husi kacharbo aphan sila ke claim lo lapen an parda lahaya sai lang no lake Bokajan MLA Dr. Numor Momin EM Madhurjo thekil phokon lapen MSc Mukut Mahanta tumsi kapin khat pasi akoipi Dr. Numor Momin go back Madhurjo thekil phokon go back lapen BJP go back phai hui kahiring pon padosi pinpur alo Bokajan civil STO arideng pajirdam Labang so sai long laichan ingleng Simeon rongphar Raju Kathar Ajay Kathar Rocky Tobi pen chenglok prekjam asong along arpu ki thetum chetong dunsi mesen pen pachun ponlo
Borbatar Police Station ke Parlo Angkang phai kuni ni phai crep ho arni Lower Diopani NS39 at Warpi along non het jong ahiring tang rak pen home ni akari ka chetong aberta card news pherang ke ananterang pen berta nangpale Lower Diopani NS39 at Warpi along ahiring tang rak pen Bharat Petrol Company ajang tukero at truck a number AS01EC 4761 lapen Tata Magic Angpong ahiring tang rak pen ka chetong Birta nangkali apor ahut ankit Tata Magic Arlo kidoan aphan kithi aphai theglong lelang non malom support berta mo ton poneksina
That time of the month. Yes, women experience discomfort and irritation and stops them to grab the opportunities in their life. But from now, say bye to discomfort and irritation with Wing Sanitary Pads, a product of Karbiang Long. It's safe and comfortable, 100% natural product, ultra thin, eco-friendly, biodegradable and affordable price. And leak lock paste technology used. Wing sanitary pads, best fits to women needs so that nothing stops you. For further queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Ganj Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamu piputa bertalong wangtala. Cintong MSC constituency ke parlo angkang. Phaikuni ni phaikre pli arni. Cintong MSC Cup football tournament hawang patuak lam along. Ke patu pon abirta. Kadnus along birta nangle. Labangso football ke patu pon along. Umtili pen hawang atum angbong patu pon lo. Bangsu ke patu pon along alhui aman apeng pen. Chitong dun Cintong VDC chairman Khorsing Sinar. Cintong Mondol BJYM Akontun Bang Dhonsing Bongru. Ex-border chairman Pius Sten, local committee amai phu la petun bang atum pen, chenglok ong dun kabatu, kelang arat atum, chitu dun, bangsu kabatu along, hawang atum. Pen bol pum thom an, thaplo la pet tili atum, bol ipum ansi, kitap unjok ajok hawang atum pensi, kipatu cepai ponlo. Haragat usuka asa Hemalong Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru aputhak. ऐसे कंपटीशन के पमान पन अबेरता फाइकुनी ने फाइ क्रेप हो आर्नी कार्निस असा हेमालों फेरांग के पेन बेरता नंपले
Harakhat United Students Union of Karbi Anglong asa hemalong ningkan kreni pen ningkan kretchok loketarli aus maratma phan Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru aputhang ase ke tok kachipati ke paman pon usuka song domen gidam tang arni pen tarat phan ason kangthor pon asai ke deng pon pado lason thak sigibang journey sitame mithang along rialong anju se khai khaching thodun thek che phan chirap chito dunji bota Harakhat usuka chunbang bidasing rong pi pen ningje
Ada berita baik lepas kang ton puning lo dumi thang me kurang tu.